Alright, so I thought I'd put up a video. Whether anyone's curious or not, probably don't care. How this bike got to be called Swamp Donkey. And now when I was saying I killed it in the swamp, this is why. This is where she first died. When I came here first, it was quite a bit more flooded than this. At the minute it's just an absolute quagmire, but this was always underneath it, and this is what we're riding through. Oh, see what I mean? Just lost my boot a second ago. It is an absolute slippy quagmire. Really, you can see it's slush and brown and water, it's slurry. You know, I think Castle would love this stuff. Yeah, carry on. And here's where it happened. I'd actually crossed this thing, I'd actually gone this way. And all was good, but then I decided to be brave and foolish and come back round here. Try and do this bit. It was up to about where that grass is, just about there. And that's what I tried to do. Unfortunately, however, about halfway it gets a bit slippery. I was on normal tyres at the time, not off-road tyres. Well, I went down there. And simply, as you can see, rather deep. It gets rather deep rather quickly. It's already up to my knees. You just keep walking. I think this is where I probably fell about here, to be fair. And as you can see, I'm already up to the knees. But when it actually happened, like I say, it was almost up to the grass area like here. So yeah, it was already flooded. By this point now, I think the whole bike was underwater. And as you can see, very, very quickly, in my short ass, it's all up to the goon heads. Oh god, yeah, it just keeps going. If it were fresh water, yeah, I wouldn't mind, but this is real slurry. And just about here, I can actually feel it, there's about a slope just here. She slipped right down, and I tried to get out. But yeah, always tread the water and test it, or the slurry, before you try and cross with the bike, because this really caught me off, and I completely wrecked that engine. And even through air it's not too good. You gotta think, if the grass is there, then so as you can see, I've already slipped over. Yeah, the grass is there. How high this thing was. I've seen it fully drained, and when I did come across here and see it fully drained, well, when there was no this in it, it's ridiculously deep. I mean, if I'd have gone much further, I'd have been head high with this grass, essentially. It's that deep. As you can see, it's just slurry at the bottom, just dirt. All of this sucked into the engine. You can imagine what happened. Now, as I've always learned, tread the water before you ride the water. Always tread the water before you ride the water. And if there is an easier path, do the easier path. Don't do the wrong one. Look at this shot. I'll say I've never actually seen it like this. Normally I see it, it's just wet and rainy. I've never actually seen it. What the hell is it? Probably something in, oh god, my leg's going to be falling off later. I said what this is, it's just like primordial ooze. It's just gobby, very slippery as well, very slippery. God, it's a roasting day, so I don't really bother. I know there's area nearby I can get some more cleaner water. As you can see, it is just slurry doughy. Yeah, put simply, I tried to ride the monkey bite through that. Don't ever do it. Well, if you're going to do it, put your airbox up here and whatnot. Yeah, well, like I say, I can tazza through that bit. That's not too deep, that's alright, it's just that bit I have to avoid. I'm going to explore the rest of the lane. So I'll clean my hands. To the next one.